Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is acceleration. So consider an object started with the initial velocity u reaches to, let me say, the final velocity v. Then the change in velocity will be v minus u. Then the acceleration can be defined as it is the rate of change in velocity. So a is equal to v minus u by t. Based on change in velocity, the acceleration can be 0, and the acceleration can be positive, or the acceleration can be negative. Let us discuss one by one what each case represent. So consider if the final velocity of an object is equal to initial velocity of an object, which means the change in velocity will be 0, so that acceleration will be equal to 0, which represent the object is moving with the constant velocity. If you plot a graph v versus t, the velocity will remain constant. Coming to the positive acceleration, the final velocity of an object is greater than the initial velocity of an object, then change in velocity will be positive, which represent acceleration will be positive, which means the object speeds up with the time. If you plot a graph v versus t, the graph shows the object is speeds up its velocity. The velocity increases with respect to time. Now coming to the third case, the meaning of negative acceleration, the final velocity will be less than the initial velocity, which means the change in velocity will be negative, so the acceleration will be negative. In this case, the objects slow down. If you plot a graph v versus t, the velocity decreases with respect to time, and finally after a certain time it comes to rest. Now I'll try to show you all these cases with some animation. So this is a beautiful animation. So you please observe here. First let me explain what each represent. So here I am considering the two cars, let me say, the red car and the blue car, and here are the cases. Initially both are at zero position, and both are at 0 velocity, and both are at 0 acceleration. Please look at here, both are at 0 acceleration. Now I will show you the first case, which means the acceleration is 0, and you please observe here the acceleration is 0 for the both the cars. So you please observe now what will happen when the acceleration is 0. So you please look at both the cars, how they are moving. So you please observe that each car covers same distance in same interval of time, so that the meaning of 0 acceleration, or both the cars are moving with the same velocity and covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Now coming to the second case, the acceleration is positive. So you please observe here. Now what I am doing, I am keeping red car acceleration remains same as 0. I am keeping blue car acceleration, I am keeping as 1, let me say. Now you please observe how the blue car and red car is moving with respect to each other. So you please observe there, the red car, since the acceleration is 0, it moves with the constant velocity, but comes to the blue car with the positive acceleration, it covers more distance in the same interval of time, and it is speeding up. Now coming to the third case, where the negative acceleration. Now I am keeping the red car acceleration remains the same as 0. I am keeping the blue car acceleration as -1. You please observe here, I am keeping the acceleration as negative, and to observe properly, I am keeping the initial velocity as 10 meter per second. Now you please observe once again. So you please observe there, as times goes up, you please observe. Yeah, look at here, the blue car. So look at here, the blue car slow down since it has a negative acceleration. The red car covers equal distance at equal interval of time for 0 acceleration. There is no acceleration. So this is the meaning of negative 0 acceleration, positive acceleration, and negative acceleration with an animation. If you want to try this animation, the link is in the description. So please try once. Thanks for watching.